Hello everyone, I am back with another chapter of Geography Class 6 NCERT, Chapter 3 Motion of the Earth. In this chapter, we will read about the motion of Earth. Let's go through page 1. There are two broad terms that you need to remember, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation means you are sitting on the rotating of his chair and someone is rotating your chair and you will feel dizzy. While revolution is you are running around 400 meters in the outer track of your school ground and you don't feel dizzy in that. So the rotation is the movement of earth on its own axis, while the revolution is the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. Everything that moves in a particular circular path is called orbit. So earth has to move in a particular fashion constantly for 24 hours in a day so that you and I can witness day and night. Now try to imagine earth as a circular ball and divide that ball into 4 equal parts. While imagining a horizontal and vertical line passing through the center of the earth. This line is also called the earth's orbital plane. You will see the pole line is slightly tilted right side of the orbital plane with an angle of 66.5 degree with the orbital plane of earth. And our earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. This period of rotation is also known as earth day. Now see page 2. Have have you ever thought what would happen if the earth will not rotate? The portion of earth that is facing the sun would always experience the day. It will get very hot and the other half will remain in darkness, will always in the frozen state, and we cannot survive in such harmful extreme conditions. Now let's move to next topic, that is called revolution. As we have read in the previous page, the movement of earth around the sun is called the revolution. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Because of this, you and I can witness 4 different seasons in a year. Have a look at this picture. It shows how the earth moves around the sun and how day and nights and different seasons occurs. At first, the North Pole slightly tilted towards the sun and the sun rays directly fall on the Tropic of Cancer. These areas receives more heat. The areas near the pole receives less heat because sun rays are slanting. So the area beyond the Arctic Circle experiences continuously day and night for about 6 months. After 6 months, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn receives direct sun rays. The South Pole tilts towards the sun so that the large portion of the southern hemisphere get light. Summer in the southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights. The reverse happen in northern hemisphere. Another thing you will see, that is equinox. This is the time of year when both the day and night are of equal length. It is because the sun rays are directly falling on the equator, so March 21st and September 23rd witness equal day and night. One more factual thing that you need to remember is every year 6 hours are saved at we convenience for avoiding time zone issues. We add 6 hours for every 4 years and make a leap year of 366 days. So 6 into 4 is equals to 24, that is equals to 1 day added in the month of February as a 29th day. With this, we come to an end of another chapter of class 6 geography. I will be back with next chapter. So till then, keep study. So if you like this video or either hate it, I would love to know what you feel. Just comment below and have a great day. Thank you for watching my video.